Hello everyone, and welcome to our next video series on working with Google Sites. Okay, in this particular video series, I really want to focus on how great this tool is to be used with colleagues, as a business, a small business, even a larger business, with teachers and students. So many wealth of opportunities to use Google Sites. Okay, so in our first video, I focused on mostly how to open a Google site and to create one and to name one. Well, here we actually want to look at some of the menu options. So here I am back on that main page, sites.google.com, and I'm going to open up that video that I was last working on. Here it is, okay? And now this is like the main area where you start to do some work on your Google site, okay? Now this will take you back to Sites Home, okay? So I can just click and it'll take me right back to this website, which I don't want to do, okay? This just shows me that just like any other product in Google, it's saved in my Google Drive already. It's already there. It's saved. It's secure. Don't have to worry about it. Your undo and redo buttons. This is kind of nice. We'll look at this later. To preview your site, you can see how it will actually look from a phone, from a browser, from a tablet, okay? This is a link. It's not published yet. So once we publish our website and make it actually out there on the web, which we'll get to later, this will be the link just to get so you know what you're publishing. And this is the share and collaborate, which we'll talk about later in more detail. And here you just have some analytics, some send feedback to Google. Always they watch these things, they look at these feedback. They always want your input, some help, and certainly take a tour of the different features. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is mostly looking at this area. This is like where you have a lot of creation options, okay? So you can insert different aspects on a site, like a text, a tool, images, uploading files. You can embed HTML code, which we'll get to a little bit later. It's really kind of a neat feature that was added. It wasn't there in the original new Google Sites rendition when it came out last year. You can add dividers on your site to separate sections. You could grab right from your Google Drive any kind of file you have saved there. You can directly embed videos or a Google Calendar or a Google Map, which looks really nice, very useful. Okay, and certainly you can also add Google Docs and slides and sheets and all the other tools that we have available here for our Google Suite. All right. Now, this is a great feature, Pages, because this is the home page. All right, and we could also make a copy of the home page. We could rename it. We can add sub-pages. We can add pages to our website. So we have multiple tabs up here, which we'll talk about later, which are really useful. And then there's a lot of great design elements and themes that are already loaded that you might want to use to make your site look a little bit different from just the simple one that is the default. Okay, so let's just remember just our basic menu options. Okay, so now what we're going to talk about next is really now how do you get into some of the design elements, and we'll look at more carefully the header here and the theme of your website. Okay, well, thank you so much, everyone, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.